Alright, this is my Arma Mojave. I broke my receiver by, I don't know, the screw snapped a hole in here so it doesn't close anymore. So I'm going to be replacing it with Arma's EXB version for the Mojave. And the reason why this is an upgrade is because it's a little bit bigger than the old receiver box, and it's kind of a pain to shove everything in there, so hopefully this is going to make it a little easier. Alright, so in order to remove the old receiver box, there's just two screws on the inside here. Pop those out and this comes right out.
Oh, you gotta take the battery tray off. It's probably...
I think it's this screw right here and this screw right here.
Yeah, so those two. And then the battery tray will pop off and you can have better access into installing the new EXB receiver box.
Alright, we got the battery tray out. I'm going to remove this old piece here and then install that in its place. Alright, we got the old piece off, and now it's as simple as just popping that on and then adding two screws. Alright, we're going to go ahead and set this back in, try to line it up to where it was before, and then we'll screw it in. So we got the screws on in the back now. Battery tray and the receiver box are on. The next thing we have to do is then we're going to stick this piece right in this groove here to help keep it watertight, and then the wires will go right through that groove encased by this piece of foam.
Alright, so we're going to put some lithium grease on just a little bit on the inside of where the wires come in, and what that will do is it'll stop the water, any excess water that might press in there. It'll kind of repel it away. You just want a super light layer on the inside, and again that'll kind of deter water from getting in there.
Putting the last final touches on this. When you're putting it in, you just want to make sure you don't, crush any of the wires. And overall, I definitely like the extra space that this EXB box gives. I don't think I would just go buy it to replace the small one, but if your small one breaks, this is only $10, so might as well upgrade.